Is it warm?
Vibing.
I'm David Hasselhoff.
Back on. Put them back on, Zach. Dude, we're gonna get demonetized, Zach.
Zach, good idea, dude. This is fun.
I don't got you.
I don't have a foot fetish. Oh, foot fetish, Jay. No! Zach, you just admitted to your foot fetish, my guy. How are them toes?
Told you have toast.
Told you have toes.
Don't worry, bro. I'm not. Yo, it's alright. You're playing ring toss. You gotta, like, get it.
This picture screams art. The wonders of late night friendliness, peacefulness, solidarity, and other shit like that. As we look off into the sunset, we think to ourselves, no homo.
Wait, no, it's one more room, by the way.
Actually, you know what? Fuck it. Jay, get a hammer. Get a hammer for the nail. It's like fucking on everyone. You tell him, Jay.
You got neutralized.
Sick.
Probably no.
Let's kick out.
No, I wouldn't do that.
Must go roll with the Rex. Yeah!
You can pop some of our head preacher now. Did you draw two?
Yeah.
Next turn we get mono, so.
I'm reading wave effects right now.
No, this turn we got mono.
Did we?
Yeah.
If we played Demolisher by Slaughter to Prevail.
No, I'm just.
Page 7's back here. I want you to use both hands when you play with me this time. Oh yeah. Harder.
So we're not sorry, that's for shit!
Yeah, I'm gonna put this page in my study.
Okay. You don't have to announce it as major.
Okay.
No. Because, like, obviously, it doesn't really matter because they're both the same thing, but, like, a page is more like your opponent does this, you do this, you know, and the note's like, do this whenever you want. And that's the difference.
You ever gotten shot by an airsoft gun?
I have a low pain tolerance.
Oh, do you really? I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Damn. I got a ridiculously
I wish I did
high
it because I
pain
want to get
tolerance.
tattoos and I know it's gonna suck dicks.
It is too. Dude.
You're like, I ain't even going front, bro. It's gonna suck dick if you have a low pain tolerance.
I can't tell you that like you got this because like if you know what you got, like, what? You gotta risk it for the front. Right now? Yes. Anything longer than 10 honestly, I'm fucking pretty low tolerance. That's one of the things what was on this, so you can get like a little mix or whatever. Put it on there and make it for sure. Because I don't know what your tolerance is. That's a big. I usually wait a minute.
Where that keeps happening. You don't have the high ground. I don't have the high ground, but I don't know how I keep getting whacked with the blade like right on my
The Japanese do everything.
So all in like 22 seconds, I wash the hand and you wash your face. That's how it goes. That's how it beats.
Not bad.
I'm so sorry.
It's fine, I just don't know.
That's my bad, though.
I think it's because we don't have a lot of room.
We also don't have hand guards or anything. We should.
Hand guards are a fucking bust.
Yes. I'm used to it. It's sick.
Yo, how the fuck did they do this in the movie without breaking each other's legs?
They got really good. They had people who like actually sword duel coming in teaching how to do it.
It's not that it hurts like bad, it's just like that like sting of like, you know how you're kind of bad and fuck around.
It's the fire alarm. The purge is beginning. Fuck, man.
Yo, Zach, let me sub in. Alright. You want to sub in right now? I want to face you.
Think about this, man.
Oh shit, you lost your blade, bro. Oh shit!
Yes, hello? What was that? Because I like... Did you hit that?
No, you just brushed the life preserver.
Really? Oh, did you hit the grill?
Actually, yeah, it was probably the grill.
Sorry, Howard. Oh, yeah, that was my hand. Alright. Yeah, it's a funny way, guys. That's a lot. Woo! Nice right on the wrist.
I'll grab a light.
Hopefully none of them light everything on fire.
Hold on.
But I am going to start with the friendship fountain just because that's what this is all about.
Yes, this is very true.
Oh, that's gonna be good, baby. Fuck yeah. Oh, my pinky.
Oh, God. I don't even have like any cravings or anything. Official vape to another man. Official vape and drink station.
Yeah.
That's what this is all about.
Take cover!
No, pull up the fucking.
Oh, that looks nice. Take
noodle.
the fucking. Wow! Wowie, 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 wow.
Can you believe that they used to use those to light up the battlefield? It's fucking crazy.
He said no.
Take my blood from my eyes. California, something about you is on in my mind.
We're jamming though.
Jam vibes.
I got big bitches, I got big booty bitches, I got big booty bitches, I got big booty bitches, big booty bitches, I got big booty bitches, big booty bitches, I got
I'll be real, it's pretty goddamn warm.
I don't know, man. Like,
It's pretty warm.
actually, yeah, no, that's not that bad right now.
I'm telling you, it's pretty warm.
Who's the Mountain Dew? would you say it's pretty warm?
Warm. It's like, well, it's warmer than it was earlier. I don't wait.
Because it's warmer compared to the air temperature. The air temperature went down, but the water temperature stayed the same.
You want to cue it after this?
Probably.
It was up to here.
He's got a point. He's got a. The man do be making sense.
Someone want to do the swing countdown? Anyone know it?
Wait, who's got the Derringer?
Yo, where's Derringer at?
Okay. It's fall. It's September 2009. It's ODST. Prepare to drop. What are you doing? We're way off course. No, we're exactly where we need to be.
Oh, drop!
Yeah!
No, my ass is vulnerable in this position. No! Oh fuck, I just got... This is the Titanic, and I'm Jack.
Where are we dropping, boys?
Alright, y'all ready for some cringe?
What is Fat Lip? The
You know,
official.
I'm hanging out drinking in the back of El Camino as a kid was a skid. No one knew me by name. It's like that rap song they did.
Yeah.
Did an acoustic of it.
What? Alright.
I don't know why.
Such like high quality.
You're not even gonna burn it.
Well, I feel like the whole point of an acoustic set is to bring out the more emotion out of a song that has emotional lyrics. But this is a song about partying and being a fucking degenerate.
That's why I don't get it. It's not bad.
He doesn't sound bad. Yeah, it's not bad. The song doesn't make sense.
Yeah, it's just the wrong song for it. Shake my hand, tell my friends that I'm dead. Run away from the pain. Yesterday is not today. 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 It's not the same. Today is gonna be the day I'm gonna come back to you. I know I did a little blow and I never wrote back to you. My love, I wanna give it all to you. Baby, I just wanna fall with you. I couldn't see the end was coming near the way I do.
It's a short song, isn't it? It's probably a second verse to the original one, but the one I know doesn't.
I'm hungry though.
Oh,
this shit's good.
I like it. I'm normally not a fan of breakfast pizza, but this is fucking delicious.
Have you had Top's breakfast pizza?
I have not.
It is unbelievably good.
Really? That
Yeah.
shit is so ungodly, it's not even funny.
It's
He is right.
It is ridiculous.
For him.
Top's breakfast pizza apparently.
That's a fact. The freshly baked stuff.
Yeah.
Dude, I've ordered those so many times.
So good, man.
Yeah.
So good.
My sister's boyfriend works
I got
at
their
the
breakfast
Top's.
pizza.
And I can't stand egg mix. I just think it's abhorrent. But that shit was good with the real fucking egg on it.
Word.
I don't think I've ever met a crackhead. I wish I did.
I've met several
And I can
crackheads.
say you wish you did.
Can I tell you about one of my favorite crackhead encounters?
Absolutely.
You met Jordan, right?
Oh yeah.
But yeah, no, we were downtown, out by Lafayette Square, just hanging out, and we were smoking cigs next to it.
And mind you, this is an open square. This guy just walks up to us, and it was the middle of summer, probably conditions around like 2 or 3.
Oh fuck, it was the middle of the day.
Yeah, middle of the fucking day. This guy comes up, he is dressed in like thick pants, a hoodie, a long winter coat, has a blanket on his back, and the only other possession that he has is a keyboard that's powered by batteries. He comes up to us, and he attempts to serenade us, and it wasn't good. And I was like, he's like, man, can I have a cigarette for that song I just played you? I wasn't going to deny a man a cigarette, so I was like, here you fucking go.
He didn't ask me for money.
Yeah. And he like, he started talking about his life story. He's like, yeah, dude, I'm from California. He showed me his California license, and I was like, oh shit, that's crazy. He's like, yeah, man, I used to do a lot of meth out there, but here I've just been doing a lot of crack. And I'm like, dude, you can't do either. Like, I was like, no offense, but your teeth are like fucked, bro. Like, you gotta go to a dentist or something. He's like, yeah, I know, it's not good, but I like it.
I feel like there's a Nickelback song like that. About how polar opposite the West Coast and the East Coast are.
I dealt with a really interesting crackhead when I went to a concert in Buffalo. I can't remember exactly which concert it was, but it was by the end of the show, and we were hanging out with a few guys, right? Mm-hmm. And we were waiting. We took the subway in, so we were waiting for the subway to come, and we're gonna go back to our car, basically take us to University Station. And we see this crackhead who is like, just like, you know, doing what crackheads do, just like stumbling around and like walking up to random people. And this guy walks up to us and he starts talking to us about like where he's been and everything. So apparently this guy just came back from combat in World War II.
Oh no!
And like before that he was a buffalo saber.
You're kidding.
I'm not kidding. No. And so apparently one of the guys that we met at the show, he was chewing tobacco and spitting it out. And and the guy started to get really curious about it. And he asked if he could have some, and he was like, all right, sure. This dude grabs a big glob of it and puts it in his mouth and chews it, and then he swallows it.
Oh, damn!
He starts walking over and he starts stumbling to the ground.
Yeah.
And he just he walks over to the corner, vomits, and then just gets up and just keeps walking away. If the shoe fits.
If the shoe fits. All right, Derek. I don't feel like going to Guitar Center. How much you want for it?
$1,000. Derek's had that guitar for a very long time.
Yeah.